When people are first learning Psyche-Type, one of the questions that inevitably comes up is, isn't that stereotyping? I think the best answer to this question is that Psyche-Type is in fact the exact opposite of stereotyping. This is because stereotyping involves making an unkind judgment about someone based on arbitrary external traits. She's one of those phony call centre types. He's one of those gung-ho know-it-alls. Stereotyping is based on ignorance, making generalisations about people that have little or no connection to fact. In contrast, our Psyche-Type is innate, unchanging, our most basic nature. Therefore, the fact is that people who share the same Psyche-Type actually do display common characteristics by virtue of having the same filters through which they make sense of the world. The other thing is that stereotyping is often rooted in our experience of other. That is, people who we see as different to us. At the psychic level, this is often a reaction to someone who has very different values to us, someone whose Psyche-Type contains some of our unconscious, for example. We encounter such people with a degree of suspicion because the functions that they use adeptly are ones that we use far less skillfully. So we do what is known as projection. We project onto others a sinister motivation, one that we might have if we were acting in the same way as they are. In other words, if we were operating from our unconscious functions. For example, an ESTP salesman stereotypes his ISTJ co-worker as one of those petty, pernicious accountant types, because the ISTJ's attention to detail and correct protocol irritates the ESTP's need for flexibility. In contrast, the ISTJ accountant sees his ESTP co-worker as a blasé, shonky salesman. This is where the real beauty of Psyche-Type shines, because by learning Psyche-Type, both of these guys learn about their own gifts, the gifts of their co-workers, and then begin to understand why they see each other the way they do. This is some of what interpersonality corporate team integration teaches, but this topic is also covered in more detail in Interpersonality's advanced course, What Type Are You?